Yeah, it's recording. Hi, I'm Shan Roy, and today came with another video of SQL injection. Today, my video will contain manual SQL injection because you guys have used SQL map. So, as this is a automating thing, so there is a chances that the server might understand that it's an automatic process. So, it will block the IP from where it's the request is coming. The requests are coming. So manual SQL injection is also needed for bug bounty hunters, and so for that we have to find a dot. So this is my dot, it's a customized dot. So I will go with the first website and I will try to find SQL injection. So there may be blind SQL injection also, or error based SQL injection also. So let's check what type of SQL injection we can perform on this. So it's loading very slow. Yeah, this is the site. Yeah, so can we perform SQL injection on this site? So for that we need to use apostrophe, then enter. So when we are getting this error, so this means that we can perform SQL injection on it. Now we have to check what is the ending thing, means double quotation or single quotation. As we are getting double quotation here, so there might be a chances that this is ending with just normally without any double quotation or single quotation, but we have to use hyphen hyphen plus or hyphen hyphen for the ending. I mean the omitting the left part. Omitting means it will comment the left part, left SQL part. So here we need to find the total number of columns. Here we are just getting now, so working gloves. So just assume there is a table which contains gloves or some accessories, but gloves is a attribute name and there is a column, right? So we have to find the columns. So we will start with 10. Yeah, 10 is present, and now we will increment it by 10, so 20. Look, unknown column 20 in order clause. So that means total 20 column is not present here, but 10 column is present. So now we will reduce it to 15. 15 is also not present. Now try with 11. 11 is present, and we will check 13. 13 is present, but 14 is not present. So we get the overall idea that there is total 13 columns is present. Now we will proceed with a tool called Hackbar. So I have just downloaded and installed that. It's just a Firefox plugin. So I will load it, the URL here, and here we are going to perform. We need to find the total number of columns, and we have to understand the which column where we can inject our code. So for that we will use union select, and for that we can write it manually 1 2 3, or we can use the Hackbar and just simple use SQL union select statement, and here instead of 10 we can write 13 and okay. So the number of 13 is present, so we will execute it. Yeah, there is no effect, just make it short bit. So more. Yeah, no, it's not as expected. So just there is another F12, there is another Hackbar I have just installed, so there is total 13. So for that we need to use a hyphen use to find where we can inject our code, so which is leaking the data from the database. So here hyphen, and we will execute this. So here 3. So if we write our name here within a double quote, then it will reflect anything, just like hello. It will reflect hello here. So it is just leaking, or it will leak information. So for that, when we are going to using SQL injection, so first our aim is to find all the tables. So all the tables are stored in information schema. So we will use again just like table name, and in the end part we will write the rest of query from information schema dot tables where table underscore schema equals to database. Now we will going to execute. Yeah, those are the tables inside our database. So as we know that from the error, the database is uh, just MySQL database. So those are the tables inside the database. So you can just table content, table entry. You can assume, you can idea that it's the international just like shopping site. So there may be those tables, not might be maybe. So there may just those tables are necessary for this site, right? So we are interested in table admin. So for that we have to find the total number of columns there and what are those columns. So for that we will use column name, and in the rest of part for tables, instead of tables we use columns, and where table schema we will use here table name instead of table schema, and the table name would be tbl underscore admin, right? Now execute it. Yeah, those are the IDs, I mean those are the column names present in our table admin. So I will just copy it and write it here. So now I can use thing just like simple copy and pasting this, but I will use group concat. So group concat is a thing which will concatenate all our output, and we can try as our format needed. So I will use this. So main id for separator we use 3 colon sign, and then here after that we will use pname, then inside, then p login, again next p pass, next p show. Now we will use beer is a HTML tag, you know. So in the rest of the part we will correct it from information schema. Here is information schema, but we will use from table admin, from table admin, because we know the table name, we know all the columns name, right? Yeah, so 1 as our main ID, p name is Umair, p login, this might be username and this might be password. So I think both are in MD5, so those are encrypted. So if you want to decrypt it, and you can decrypt it just for practice, but don't try to crack it. So that's all, and you guys can download some vulnerable machines for try it, and this is just error based SQL injection. So I will come with another video where I will show you the blind SQL injections and double SQL injections and the rest of SQL injections part. Thank you. Bye.